In the Geoprocessing pane, open the Polygon to Raster tool. For input features, click the Browse button. Navigate to the Crater Lake Home Geodatabase and select Geology Units. Click OK. Set the value field to rock type. Name the output raster rock type. Hover on the information icon for the cell assignment type and read through the options. Select the Maximum Combined Area option. Leave the priority field set to none. Set the cell size to 30 to match the DEM. Switch to the Environments tab and set the Snap Raster to DEM 30M to ensure that the cells of the two rasters align. Run the tool. In Contents, examine the legend of the rock type layer.